Yo Marek, where are we going today?
We're going to chill and see some nice cars and film.
No ble. Yeah.
The hot and sunny weather. Now, the far north of England, not far away from that.
With just the rise in barbecue and ice cream sales, it can also have an impact on health as well. And when that...
Alright then, let me tell you about an English summer. It brings out the skaters, bunners, high wasters, night runners, and we drink Nelsons like pumpkin. Sun's out, get your guns out. Sun's out, get your funds out. English summer, catch that colour, catch that tan, it's gonna run out like. Oi, mate, it's sort like a sauna. Oi, mate, this weather is pucker. I might drive round in a Corsa and pretend I'm driving a Hummer. Windows down, really loud. Place sounds like original nutter. In some Primark tee, short blue jeans and old night runners. This is festival season. You don't go to one that's trees and find that ticket, find it now. Then just buy it for no reason. And Brits are always abroad. England kits galore, always away, rich or poor. They can't wait to finish at 4. And I just had to mention the most important sentence. Are we going to the pub garden? What do you mean, pardon? Yeah, of course we are. I'm dying of thirst, you're first at the bar. Get out your contactless card. Oh cheers there mate, you're a star. Fresh wax chainers from JD. Lacoste, it costs about 80. Ray-Bans and plain white tees. Beers in cans now, not Baileys. Air Maxes and Reeboks, 80s jackets, Depop, pint glasses, not teapots, some England old free tops. It's an English summer, it brings out the skaters, bunners, high wasters, night runners, and we drink Nelsons like uppers. Sun's out, get your guns out, sun's out, get your funds out. English summer, catch that colour, catch that tan, it's gonna run out like oi. The English rain, we hate it, but we love a Brighton day trip. Ice cream's half naked, getting all midweek wasted. Seasides and day trips, it's for them tighter waist lips. Then bend the dawn if you made it. Baronis. Oh, I need a beer, mate.